What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1961 Corvette. Does have a 283 in it. We're gonna be heading down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws that we could find. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. It's a beautiful car. We don't get many of these in. If we do, they keep them as personals. Closest thing we got right now is that white personal over there. You can't buy that one. That was not for sale. Anything in this parking lot other than the cars that I represent. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. Got close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. Also got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's that time. We're going for a test drive. We'll look around at the interior before we take off. It's a beautiful car on the inside. I love the way they designed this one. Huge bubbly top. It looks great. If you look at the shifter, it's actually backwards. Parks all the way back towards you, then drives 3 clicks forward. Defroster fan. Let's see if it works. I hear it. I don't think the AC is going to work on this one, but let's try a radio. Radio's not going to work either. It was already on. Horns out. Try the rest of the stuff on the dash here. I think that's your windshield wipers. Switch feels a little stiff on it. Car needs some little stuff fixed. Let's see how she drives. We're gonna take off down the road. All right, guys, I'm gonna take off. Anything that I see, I will point out, you will know about. Not much is working on the dash on this one. The tag's not coming up, the speedo's not coming up. Our tip gauge is working. Oil pressure's working. Don't know about the gas gauge. It's pegged all the way to the F, so I'm gonna say it's disconnected at the tank. Car's got a slight pull to the right as well. Of course, this one's definitely gonna have a few issues. These cars are actually really high in price, so if everything was working on it, it'd be much, much higher. Other than the pull to the right, let's try the brakes out. Brakes feel good. Motor sounds good. I like how the rear view mirror is sitting down here on the dash. That's kind of cool. No power steering on this one, but it's easy to turn. Blinkers are popping up on the dash. Big old oversized steering wheel. We're going to be rolling around this parking lot. I'm going to get some outside shots, and we'll continue this test drive. Get the shots with a telephone pole. Go ahead and put the link below in the description. Also going to put the links to my cameras in the description if you like the quality of the video. Let's go ahead and get these outside shots. Been rolling around the parking lot. Everything seems pretty good. Smell a little bit of gas. I think it's just some fumes, some exhaust fumes. Oil pressure still at 40. Our temp gauge isn't quite reading right. It will go back down to about 180 once we take off, but if I pop the hood, I mean, I could basically set my hand on the valve cover. It's not that hot, so it's just an old gauge. I bet you it's just not working correct. Let's keep on continuing down the road, point out anything else I can see, and we'll get back and do a little walk around on the outside of this car. We'll set y'all off in the driver's seat. We're gonna take off down the road here. Got my left blinker popping on. The speedo's trying to work. Could be a bad cable. Such a cool car. There ain't nothing out here like it, that's for sure. Pretty sure this was like my first model car build. We're getting back just in time. It's starting to sprinkle, and to get this thing off the road, I'll pull it under the awning back there and go ahead and do my walk around video. I knew today was going to fight me with all this rain down here in Tennessee, so a little bit of a hesitation if you nail the throttle. Well, it won't do it right now, but it did it a couple times during the test drive. Right now, I mean, I'm matting it, it's not shifting down. It doesn't have the kick down hooked up either, so. This road here's got a pretty big bump in it. The older Corvettes weren't known for the best suspension. Kind of give you an idea, there's pretty much a speed bump in the middle of the road here. We'll hit it at a moderate speed, probably doing about 30. It was right there. It doesn't feel bad though. Pull off in the lot here. Go ahead and get it under the awning in the back. Well, try to. We'll have to move some cars around. We got a bunch of new stuff in. Alright guys, just got back from that test drive. Getting ready to do a walk around video underneath this awning here. Got a little bit of rain on it, just some sprinkles. Go ahead and wipe the car back off and get started on this next video. If you don't mind, go to maplemotors.com, check out the 100 detailed photos of this car. You can also get financed. We got that available. There's 3 companies on our website you can choose from. You can also ship these cars straight to your door. Got a whole classic car lot full of them. And I think we bought at least 6 more that I've heard of today. So we'll keep them coming. Y'all keep watching. Hit that subscribe button. And thanks again, guys. Like I said, down in the bottom right corner, I'll link the next video so it's easy to get to. We're going to be doing a walk around, opening the trunk, under the hood, checking the interior, and giving some undercar shots. Y'all have a good one.